As we stand on the brink of 2024, the online world is brimming with exciting and profitable opportunities. From the bustling social media arenas to the mysterious depths of cryptocurrency, the digital realm teems with potential. This year, online earnings are not just a dream but a reality that you can grasp. We'll explore a plethora of methods, each with its unique allure and potential for significant income. Stay tuned to discover the top ways to make money online in 2024. Social media platforms are no longer just for connecting with friends. They've evolved into powerful tools for monetization, with different channels offering unique opportunities to cash in on your creativity and influence. Let's start with TikTok, the short video platform that took the world by storm. It's not just about viral dance trends, it's also a goldmine for creators. With sponsorships and TikTok's Creator Fund, you can turn your content into cash. Imagine making money from your dance moves or comedy skits. Then there's Snapchat, a platform that's not just about disappearing messages. Its Spotlight feature is a game changer, allowing users to earn from their snaps. So, that funny dog video or a cool skateboard trick could just be your ticket to a nice payday. Next, let's talk about the granddaddy of them all, YouTube. From ad revenue to memberships and affiliate marketing, the opportunities are vast. You can create content about anything from cooking to gaming and earn from your passion. It's not uncommon to hear of YouTubers turning their channels into full-time jobs. And of course, we can't forget Instagram. It's not just a platform to share your brunch photos or vacation snaps. With influencer marketing and Instagram shopping, you can leverage your following to earn. Whether you're a fashionista or a fitness enthusiast, brands are willing to pay for your influence. These are just a few examples of how social media platforms have become lucrative avenues for online income. Each platform offers its own set of opportunities, and the secret to success lies in understanding these features and aligning them with your skills and interests. Remember, while these platforms can provide a significant income, it's important to approach them with a business mindset. Consistency, creativity, and engagement are key, and it's not always about the number of followers. Even with a small, loyal audience, you can start earning. As you see, social media platforms offer multiple avenues for earning online, so why not monetize your social media presence and turn those likes into a hefty paycheck? Cryptocurrencies are reshaping the financial landscape and creating new income opportunities. This is not some far-off prediction. It's happening right here, right now. Cryptocurrencies, digital or virtual currencies that use cryptography for security, are revolutionizing how we think about and interact with money. But how exactly can one profit from this digital gold rush? Let's dive in. Firstly, there's trading. Much like the stock market, you can buy cryptocurrencies when the price is low and sell when the price goes up. This requires a keen understanding of market trends and a steady hand, as the crypto market is known for its volatility. But with volatility comes opportunity, and many have reaped substantial rewards from this kind of trading. Next, we have staking. In the world of cryptocurrencies, staking involves holding a cryptocurrency in a digital wallet to support the operations of a blockchain network. Essentially, it's like earning interest on your crypto holdings. This method can provide a regular income, depending on the amount you stake and the staking rewards of the particular cryptocurrency. Lastly, there's mining. This is a bit more technical and involves solving complex mathematical problems to validate transactions and add them to the blockchain. This process, in turn, rewards you with new coins. However, it's worth noting that mining requires a significant investment in hardware and consumes a lot of electricity. Each of these methods comes with its own set of challenges and risks. Trading requires a deep understanding of market trends and risk management. Staking, while generally safer, ties up your funds and leaves you exposed to market fluctuations. Mining, on the other hand, requires technical expertise and upfront investment. Yet, despite these challenges, people around the world are capitalizing on these opportunities and making a fortune. From the young college student who paid off his student loans by trading Bitcoin, to the retired couple who now live comfortably off their staking earnings, the stories of success are endless. In the end, it all comes down to education, strategy, and a bit of courage. Cryptocurrencies offer a whole new world of earning potential. Whether you choose to trade, stake, or mine, there's an opportunity waiting for you in the crypto universe. Online trading is no longer the domain of Wall Street professionals. In today's digital age, anyone with an internet connection can dabble in the world of stocks, Forex, and commodities. Let's start with stocks. the most common form of online trading. Buying shares of a company makes you a part owner of that business. When the company profits, so do you. It's like buying a slice of a cake, and when the cake gets bigger, your slice does too. But remember, the cake can also shrink and your slice along with it. Next, we have Forex trading. Forex stands for foreign exchange, and it involves trading one currency for another. Every time you've gone on vacation and exchanged your dollars for euros, you've participated in Forex trading. But on a larger scale, Forex trading can be a great way to make money if you understand the fluctuations in the global economy. Then there's trading commodities. These are physical goods like gold, oil, or wheat. The prices of these goods are affected by various factors like supply and demand, weather conditions, and political instability. Trading commodities can be a good way to diversify your portfolio and protect against inflation. Now you might be thinking, this sounds great, but how do I get started? The first step is education. There are plenty of online resources available to help you understand the fundamentals of trading. From books and blogs to webinars and YouTube channels, there's a wealth of information out there, but remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Trading can be risky, and it's essential to manage that risk. Never invest more than you can afford to lose, and always have a plan. Know when you'll enter a trade, when you'll exit, and what you'll do if things go wrong. Finally, practice makes perfect. Many trading platforms offer demo accounts where you can practice trading with virtual money. This can be a great way to gain experience without risking real cash. With the right knowledge, online trading can be a lucrative venture. So, why not give it a try? You might just find that it's the perfect way to boost your digital income in 2024. The world of retail has moved online, and you can be part of it. In the digital age, you don't need a physical store to sell products. With e-commerce and dropshipping, you can run a successful business from anywhere in the world. Let's start with e-commerce. It's as simple as setting up an online store on platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce. You can sell anything from handmade candles to digital products like ebooks and online courses. The beauty of e-commerce is its scalability. You can start small, and as your business grows, you can expand your product range and reach a global audience. Now let's talk about dropshipping. It's a business model where you sell products online, but you don't need to keep any inventory. Instead, you partner with a supplier who fulfills the orders on your behalf. When a customer makes a purchase, you buy the product from the supplier, who then ships it directly to the customer. It's a low-risk model with potential for high returns. Choosing the right platform for your online store is crucial. Shopify, for instance, is a popular choice due to its user-friendly interface and range of features. It's designed to make selling online as easy as possible, even for beginners. With e-commerce and dropshipping, you can run a successful online business from anywhere. So why not take advantage of the digital revolution and start your e-commerce journey today? The traditional 9-to-5 job is becoming a thing of the past. More and more people are turning to freelance and remote work opportunities, and it's easy to see why. Imagine being able to work from anywhere, at any time, and on projects that truly excite you. This is the reality for freelancers all over the world. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr have made it easier than ever to connect skilled professionals with clients in need of their services. Whether you're a graphic designer, a writer, a programmer, or a digital marketing expert, there's a place for you in the freelance market. Popular freelance jobs aren't limited to these fields though. People offer services ranging from virtual assistants to language tutoring, from voiceover acting to financial consulting. The opportunities are as diverse as the skills of the people offering them. Freelancing offers flexibility and the chance to earn from your skills. So why not harness your talents and join the freelance revolution today? The online world is constantly evolving, and so are the ways to make money. The rise of virtual event planning, for instance, gives a nod to the boom in online gatherings, while online coaching taps into the thirst for knowledge that's just a click away. These unique avenues are showcasing how we can turn our passions and skills into profitable online ventures. So, stay open to unique opportunities and keep evolving with the digital world. Now we reveal the easiest method to make money online in 2024. The method we've all been waiting for is affiliate marketing. Yes, it's been around for a while, but its simplicity and effectiveness make it a winner. Here's why. Affiliate marketing is about promoting other people's products and earning a commission on each sale. It's a win-win. You don't need to create a product or manage an inventory. All you need is a platform like a blog or a social media account and a knack for persuasive promotion. So, how do you get started? First, choose a product you believe in. Then, sign up for the affiliate program, get your unique affiliate link, and start promoting. With each successful sale, through your link, you earn a commission. The best part? You can work from anywhere at any time, and the earning potential is virtually limitless. This method could be your first step into the world of online earnings. We have explored the vast landscape of online earnings in 2024. From leveraging social media platforms, trading in cryptocurrencies, to setting up e-commerce stores and freelancing, there's a myriad of opportunities awaiting you. Unique and emerging trends like virtual event planning and online coaching are also worth considering. And remember, the easiest method can be just a click away. Explore these opportunities and unlock your potential for online earnings. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for more insights into making money online.